So I got a package yesterday, y'all. You see what it say. It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at y'all with another video. Today my son is out here getting ready to change my radiator on my truck. Cause winter coming and we did have a brief leak in the radiator. Now let me show y'all where it got rusty at. Got real rusty right there. So he's gonna change it out. We're gonna put a new one in there. And we got some new brakes coming too. So I'm gonna go ahead and give him a drill gun so he can get what size is the bottom? Is it a Phillips?
I think it might be one of these.
Or is it? Okay. So yeah, he gonna go ahead and change it out for me. So that way the old man ain't gotta get on the ground. So
one of those would fit too, but I don't know what size it would be. Probably 10.
Flathead?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a second, y'all. Lock it over far enough. You got it off? Oh.
That one, the buggy. Actually, I should be able to.
That's an awesome tool my wife got me. Yes, indeed. Makes life easy.
I think there's still another bolt somewhere. Or is that it? There's another bolt.
You gotta get right here.
Right here. There's something over here.
Right here. And then you got one on the line.
It's a long bolt.
Where'd you get your other bolts from?
Off here.
Off the front. Stick them right up here. Out your way. That way you don't lose them. I still got some leaking coming out.
Oh, it's connected to it. Hold on. There we go. Just hold on.
In and out. Look at that old time. Old stuff. See, all new things is coming on this truck. So it's a lot of upgrades and newer parts from an older truck. You know, because everything on here is original. I will say that. So a lot of new parts is being put on here. So make it mine. You know what I mean?
You see it there?
So yeah, huh?
You're probably gonna need a new fan.
I think I need a new fan. Why?
Looking a little bent. Or am I wrong?
No, that's the way it's supposed to look.
You sure?
Yeah. Hold on, we're gonna wipe that out in there. So let me get some stuff on to wipe that out, and I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Again. Alright, new radiator. We're getting ready to pull that out the box.
100% leak tested.
Yes, indeed. Got a good warranty and all that good stuff.
Warranty.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, we used to have planes made out of them.
I've had some
made out of styrofoam. I mean, big, good planes, too.
I've had planes made out of styrofoam.
The other way.
I know.
Turn it around. Oh, you getting ready to destroy my radiator already. Brand new. You know, this car got a lot of new parts underneath the front of it. Let's get that out your way so you can...
Does it go over that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
there we go.
You got it out of there. Alright. Cool.
They're in place.
Now just rebolt everybody. I got new
Looking
condensed.
shiny.
Yeah, I got new parts coming for the whole truck, the front end and everything. New power steering cooler. Yeah,
Cooling.
Woo! Yeah, we having one of them days where the power steering coolant go in the cooler. Don't dent my new radiator. See, he messing me up. He ready to dent the new radiator already. Hey, how about you bolt this part up first, so that way it don't move on you. You know? Need me to get the bolt for you. There you go. So, yeah. I ain't even gonna lie, for it to be a cool day right here in the sun, it's kinda hot.
I say it's hot.
You know?
This is hot right here.
Start your other side too. That one's over there. Yes, indeed. There you go. Put your other one on.
My thank she in place.
Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Nice and clean and pretty too. I like it. I like it. He installing my new radiator. Yeah. Yeah. Trying to get her ready for the winter, you know. That they had on there. It's sitting up there in the basket. So when they sent the radiator, they sent it with these little clips, which all we did was take my clips off of mine and exchange them for the bigger ones that originally came on my original.
No, putting these ones on.
Yeah, they putting the originals on. Because the original bolts would not fit at first. And of course, you know, they don't send you any bolts. See? That looks so clean in there, boy. I can't wait to change out more parts in there. Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeed. I don't know. Now you gotta do the other side. Alright.
Last piece.
Totally done.
No, not.
Hoses put back together. Yeah.
Done.
Bottom hose back together. Good job. Plant that back in.
Oh yeah.
Please. Good to go. Fresh new radiator. Now you gotta do is fill it up.
Alright, flip.
Yeah. Fill it up, son. Fill it up. Need me to do it so you don't make a mess. There you go. Then I probably gotta top it off. No drips, no dribbles. So I would say he got it back together. No messes. So far, so good. No drips back there in the bag. Nothing coming out. Good young fella. He gonna know a lot about cars by the time it's all said and done. we got new brakes and rotors as well for it. I told y'all they supposed to come today, but I wasn't too sure. So let me fire it up for them real quick. So we just gotta add some more. We'll add more when we go out, but no leakage, no leakage. And now he just dropped the radiator cap. How far back? How far back? I heard it hit the ground.
It did, okay.
I heard it hit. It ain't on the ground.
Do something to me.
Boy, done lost the radiator cap. How do you lose a radiator cap?
Not on the ground.
Where'd you lose it to?
I don't know.
But I heard it. It ain't in the wheel. He came all the way to the end of the job to drop the radiator cap and can't find it. Yes, I tell you. So let's go over here though. So we got some auto shock slotted rotors. So yeah, can't wait to put them on. They're gonna look good on there. Cause the front, they warped real bad, so therefore we went on
Real
and
bad
we're
is an
gonna
understatement.
change them out. So we're gonna end this video with my son looking for the radiator cap. Catch y'all on the next one. It's your boy C-Lo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so y'all can get all upcoming content that I put out. Big Black Ram, new radiator, new parts with a cat, more brakes and upgrades coming soon. Peace.